In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix line midpoint snap not showing in AutoCAD. If your cursor won't find the midpoint of a line, it usually comes down to Object Snap being off, the midpoint snap not being enabled, or a setting that's overriding it. Let's walk through the fixes in a clear order so you can get back to drawing accurately. First, make sure Object Snap is actually on. Press F3 to toggle Object Snap. You'll know it's active when the osnap icon in the status bar lights up. With it on, hover your cursor over the middle of a line. If things are working, you should see a small triangle glyph and a midpoint tooltip. If you don't see that, keep watching. Next, open your drafting settings to confirm that midpoint is enabled. Type DS and press Enter to bring up the drafting settings dialog. Go to the Object Snap tab and look through the list of available snaps. Make sure midpoint is checked. This specifically tells AutoCAD to detect the exact halfway point of a segment. Leave your other snaps as they are. Then click OK to apply the change. Test again by hovering over the center of a line to see if the midpoint glyph appears. If the issue persists, we'll verify the underlying snap mode value. Type OS mode in the command line and press Enter. AutoCAD will prompt you for a value. Enter 2 and press Enter again. The value 2 corresponds to enabling only the midpoint snap, which is a quick way to confirm that midpoint detection is functioning. After setting it, hover over a line and look for the triangle glyph. If it appears now, you've confirmed the problem was with the snap configuration. While you are checking these settings, make sure the nearest snap isn't getting in the way. Nearest can cause your cursor to grab any point along an object, which sometimes masks the midpoint cue. Go back to DS if needed. Open the Object Snap tab and uncheck Nearest so midpoint can take priority. You can always re-enable Nearest later when you need it. That's it. Thanks for watching.